Hey guys, I'm Jared with Stryker Boats, and today I just want to talk to you about a few of the reasons people choose inflatable boats. So there are numerous reasons, but today we're going to hit the top 5 reasons. And we'll start with number 1. The first reason you should consider an inflatable boat for your next purchase is safety. With the multiple air chamber design, as well as the large amount of flotation that the tubes allow, make for an incredibly stable, safe platform for you and your family. There's a reason first responders and search and rescue typically choose an inflatable boat to rescue other capsized vessels, is the safety that they provide for themselves as well as to getting you back on the shore. Inflatables provide an incredible amount of load compared to a standard boat. So this particular boat, it's a 380 12.5 foot boat, has about a 2,500 pound weight rating, which if you think about the numbers of 2,500 pounds, it's absolutely incredible. So safety first. The second reason you should consider an inflatable boat is their portability. So today we brought this out on our sled deck, the snowmobile deck, and we were on the water in under 10 minutes. You could put it on a trailer, you could put it in your SUV, you can put it on your car, in your pickup box. So the portability of an inflatable boat is really second to none, and it does fit well into almost everyone's life. So going as well with the portability, it's the storage as well. So being able to pack it down into a duffel bag size, hockey bag type of size, allows you that when you're not using the boat, you have the option to pack it away into an incredibly small space, and it doesn't take up a bunch of room in your life, especially as everything nowadays, it seems, has become condensed and places become smaller. Well, storage is of course an issue. So an inflatable boat will allow you to get you and your family on the water safely, as well as the ease of storage when it comes time to put it away. The third reason you should consider an inflatable boat is the fuel efficiency. An inflatable boat typically requires a much smaller engine than a larger fiberglass or aluminum version of the boat. So you can get away with a much smaller engine, as well as they are so light. Even with this 20 horse we have today, we will burn an incredibly low amount of fuel today. We might be in the $3 to $5 range for our day out on the water. Now, we're not cruising all day long, but we'll drive to a location, check it out, do a little hike, get back in the boat, check another spot. But at the end of the day, a $5, and that $5, that factors in the $2 a liter fuel prices that we're paying nowadays. So who knows where fuel is going to, but it's nice to know that regardless of where they do go, you will always be able to get you and your family out on the water for incredibly cheap with one of our Stryker inflatable boats. So the fourth reason you should consider one of our Stryker inflatable boats is the versatility that our boat specifically will offer you. So if you look around the boat, we have D-rings everywhere. We have, depending on the model, we have 5 to 8 Scotty bases that are pre-installed onto the boat. These allow you to quickly plug and play things such as fish finders, rod holders, cup holders, bait boards, pop pullers, and there's about 30 different accessories that you can plug and play into the boat. The D-rings allow for swim ladder attachments, luggage tie down, and all of the various things that you may want to bring out with you on the water. So the versatility of a Stryker inflatable boat is really second to none to any other inflatable boat on the market. And this is something that's often overlooked when someone's searching for a boat. They see there's lots of boats out there on the market, but none of them give you the flexibility and versatility that we do. And each one of these pads that we add, or D-rings or bimini mounts, these are all $100 after the fact to have installed on another brand of boat. So it may seem like you're paying a bit less up front possibly for something, but the reality is if you want to use the boat the way it's meant to be used, you will be spending more money in the future building it to what it is so you can use it. The fifth reason why you should consider a Stryker inflatable boat is the ease of maintenance. So anything in our lives that require a lot of energy and effort from us, that can take away from the experience. So owning a Stryker inflatable, your maintenance is really the odd brush down with soap and water if you choose, and once a year maintenance on your outboard if you're under 100 hours. Outside of those two things, there really isn't anything you have to do to your Stryker boat, making it an incredible investment for you and your time.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive.